So the next technology box is how to make bar charts or bar graphs from raw data. So raw data is the actual list of all the data points where they've not been grouped or tallied up in any way yet. So using StatCrunch, we would log into StatCrunch, which I've already done, and then you would enter the data into a column in the spreadsheet. So whether you would just open StatCrunch and put that data in there, or again, I'm going to click My StatCrunch to get the data that we uploaded earlier in this chapter. So we have some data to work with. So then to make a bar chart, we would click Graph and Bar Plot with data in this case, since we have the raw data. And then we would choose car type. So in that pop-up window that opens, we chose the variable that we wanted, which in this case I'm just using car type. Under order by, again, we still have these choices where we can do value ascending, descending, worksheet, count ascending, or count descending. Again, I'm just going to leave that as value ascending. Under other, again, in here we can enter something like 10 for, again, anything that has less than 10% in will get thrown in an other category. Okay, it's also useful to click this box because it will then put the value above the bar, so you're not trying to figure out, how tall a bar is, if it's somewhere between 10 and 15, if it's at 11 or 12 or 13 or what have you. So that will just display the value above the bar. Okay. And then there's also a place here that you can type in a title for the graph. So like on this one, the type of car driven by college students. Okay, once you have all of that information in there, you can just scroll to the bottom and hit Compute, and it will give you the bar chart that is shown right below the technology box.